Hi, I'm Becca with Sunflower Summer Company, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this paper poinsettia. It's super quick and easy to make, and it will make your home feel like Christmas in no time. To make the poinsettia, you're going to take some scissors and your shaping mat, and then shape the petals. You're going to crease down the center of the petal, and then you're going to go at an angle and create creases down the side of the petal. And then with the small petals, you're just going to crease down the middle. Next, take your middle piece and start rolling it around a wire. You're not going to glue it onto the wire, you're just using the wire to roll. And glue it down. Fan it out. You're then going to glue all the petals together. So take your large one, take your medium one, and glue the medium one into the center of the large one. Take these two petals and you're going to glue this one on top of this one with the petals facing the bottom one in between the top petals. And you're going to take the petals and put some on top of the other. And you're going to glue this down into the middle. And then glue this one into the middle. Next, take a floral wire and bend a circle into the top, and then bend it at a 90-degree angle. Then place some glue on top of the wire. And then glue it into the back of your poinsettia. And now you have your poinsettia.